We're live. Just give me a few seconds. Have a cup of coffee ready. Hello everyone. Welcome. Okay, let's begin, I guess. Let's begin. How is everyone today? How is life? How is everything? Whoa, it's a big area. Yes, this is... Wow, this is really good. Yes, okay. A new map, by the way, everyone. Look at how beautiful it is. Okay, so let's start working. What should we do? Okay. I just need to find something. Yes, it is beautiful. I agree. Kirena. Okay. Where should I start pushing? What should I start doing? Unload. Remove. Ins. Okay. Spawn point. Yeah, we have only one spawn point. That's good. Okay. So. Okay. Contact me through the Discord DMs, please. And welcome to the stream. Okay. What's my current agenda? My current agenda is... Yes. Oh, okay, so everything is level 10 right now. Oh, have 10. Yes. What does... Ah, it's okay. Yes, I know that they are weird. Yeah, sure. So right now I'm trying to decide what we should be doing, right? Character factory. Oh, yes, I know what I should do. Trello. Let's open Trello. Okay, let me sort my Trello a little. Pull system to select target priorities. We did some target priority. Split. That's a complete thing. Multiple splitting status effects partially done. It's okay. Optimization design story optimizing the ability manager getaway target backup. Okay, good. Dialogue system. I will need to have a dialogue system at some point. Okay. Fine. What should we do next? Sort a little. Okay. Round manager. What's round? So every stage you have like an information. Okay. Go into the stage thing. The spawn enemy type. Yes, we want to introduce some additional things for over here. Oh, hey, Kelpek. By the way, thank you for being so early. I don't know, I would say, because it's an end of the week, right? I would say next week, early next week. So think about like 9, 10, 11, 12, somewhere over here. Okay? That's when you can expect it. There is a lot what needs to be done right now, and you know, I'm just one man. Okay. Continue. So start mana pool, stage name. Yeah. Thank you very much. Good luck on your indie project for college. So, round data. In the round data to spawn enemy type. Find all references. Boom. Here it's enemy collection. Get enemy count to spawn enemy type. Enemy. Get enemy. It's okay. Thank you for following the tutorials. By the way, hey, you heard this from every, YouTuber, but, likes and comments, they do help a lot. So yeah, if you can, please just leave likes and comments. So enemy type swarm enemy. That's an enemy data. Go to definition. What's okay? That's a simple enemy data and his animated sprite. But we want to apply some kind of modifications to enemies, right? Так. It's a type, right? And the type... How do we generate stats for the enemies? Okay. Remind me factory. Factory. Round factory, right? Character factory here. Oh, there is character stats factory. Define baseline of stats. Okay. Generate character stats. Okay. Stats block. Okay, here is. Apply additional unplanned modifications. Apply additional. Effects resistant Victor water. Little skills is. So factory character stats. So if I say like this, utility factory character stats. Hello, Emre Yapichi. Welcome. Characters factory. Stats factory. So define baseline of stats. Apply enemy type modification. Generate character stats. Armored. Worm. Okay. Resistance to fire, weak to water. Okay, so how do I deal with this? So we have clearly defined steps, and based on those steps we will want to create stats block. So, define baseline of stats. How can we do that? Let me ask something from my artist. want to have where can I learn internet. I'm sorry. I'm sorry to provide such a simple answer, but internet, just web. Define baseline of stats. Okay. Define baseline of stats. Let's say the baseline is 10, 10, 10, 10. Okay. Baseline. Yeah. Oh. Character factory. There is baseline stats class, which we use. Character stats factory. Jeez. Interesting situation. So technically we can just move this and generate stats block over here. Right. Okay. How about we do exactly this? And here we will have character serialize field, character stats factory, okay, and here we will say get stats generate character stats. Okay. And then we will have to pass like some additional things. Okay, generate character stats. Okay. Pum. This baseline here, we can say stats dot copy baseline stats. Okay. And with this, after this, we will be doing some stuff. Or for example, first of all, we will say integer level, sea level. And then we will say factory. Now 1 character stats factory. Okay. Move it here, so we now have baseline stats initialized over here. What is in it? Enemy type, auto definition, enemy collection, normal. Okay. Enemy types, normal, swarm. Okay. And then we will have something like, honestly. Okay. So public enum, or wait. Yeah, public enum, enemy additional mods, every enemy mod. Wait, character factory, character stage data here, enemy type, enemy collection, enemy mode, so factory, that's factory here, modification, armor is list, no, it's a enemy type. Then enemy apply enemy mod, resistance to fire, weak to water. Okay. And you can have multiple of them, so we will say public list enemy mod. Ответ на вопрос будет больше как 50 на 50. То и то будет. Потому что в последнее время Unity творит что-то прям какую-то совсем дичь. Поверь мне, я сам этому не очень рад, потому что мне приходится учить что-то новое в плане именно года практически с нуля. И это достаточно, ну, нелегко. And here we will say resistant fire, resistant ice, resistant character bacteria. Go to definition. No, character. Stats. Tough. Resistant wind. Resistant is weak fire, weak ice, weak wind, tough, high HP, high HP, reg. High resistance, high armor, high resistance, high armor, big is that's good enough. Okay. Okay. Been 30 minutes. Let's do a little of swiping. Okay, they're going down in 2 hours to maintenance. Damn it. Fine. Let's go. Yeah. Особенно если речь идет об C-Sharp. С C-Sharp там совсем все что печально. Тут больная тема у года, конечно. Где-то очень заглупел. Hey, Кира, над чем именно работаешь? Погода тебе туторы интересны? Ну, или вам, извините. Интересно все-таки, насколько людям интересны туторы погоду. Okay, one here. What am I? Cannot see. 2 1 1 1 2. Jesus. Here is. Блядь. Oh. If here is 1, this is guaranteed. If this is 1. 1 is over here. Can it be that this is... Yes, this is free. Да, знаешь... Hello, Yellow Cat, welcome! You're right in time for me swiping after I implemented some stuff for our stats. Yes, C# is definitely... Why not ping when you... I forgot about this! Oh! Yeah, I forgot about this, just forgot. I just forgot about it, that's it. Nothing else. Beautiful. I have no idea where to go now. It's supposed to be no guessing, so this is... Okay. I miss... My bad. Genuinely my bad. I messed up. Four is here. So this is 2. This is 2. This is 2. This is 1. All of these 3 are... This 3 are 2. And this is 1. No idea. Oh, I missed a part. Ha. So I can just go in guns blazing. Entire thing gonna on. Okay. So the corner is solved. Now we just need to continue going this direction. And I'm not sure. Here is 2. 5. This is 1 is either here or here. So if 1 is here or here, or this one is guaranteed, I believe. Ну да. Да. Все очень-очень-очень очень счастливы тому, что происходит. Где... В общем... Зашибись, Unity нам подкинул прикол. God damn it. Oh, for God's sake! Two. So, at least one will touch it. HDRP? Yes, of course. Yes, of course I tried HDRP. This one is free. That gives me information, right? This gives me an information on this. So this one. This is free. Right? Am I not messing? No, I'm not messing it up. It's a graphical thing, you know, it's a renderer pipeline. It looks good, but like, I'm not a graphics guy, I don't care about graphics in video games. Wait, this is supposed to be no guessing, right? How is this no guessing? Huh? Yay! We did it! Oh my god, that took forever. Yes. Да. Есть такие люди, есть. It looks good, but... Oh. Was DX? What do you mean DX? I'm sorry, I'm not sure what's the question DX. DirectX? Overall experience was like, it's a Unity pipeline. It's... You know how Unity is. They love to undercook a lot of their stuff. URP, in my opinion, is betterly cooked. But HDRP gives a lot more modern features. Though you need to know how to wield those features, you know. Just using HDRP will not make your game... Oh, developer experience. Yeah, then I'm answering your question. Like, just... having access to more modern features not gonna make your game immediately looks amazing, right? Well, sounds kinda toxic, not gonna lie. Hi, Kardok Delikaya. I am actually doing better than usual. I feel a little more... How can I say it? Elevated, I guess. At least. Wow, whoa, 7 people. Welcome everyone, welcome. Thank you for showing up. Apply. Apply by enemy mode. Making some small game project for my GitHub. Good. Yes, it would definitely increase your chance of finding the job. Absolutely. Okay, so apply enemy mode for int 0, then mods to apply e++. Not count. Ref. That's block enemy stats block. Wow, so many people watching how I struggle through this. Thank you very much, everyone. Okay. Switch mods to apply. Whoa. Add missing cases. We'll do this. So, yes, we will do this. And then we will have separate thing. Okay. Modify resistance. Mods to apply here. Ref enemy stats block. Okay, mods to apply, enemy stats modify resistance. We will say that we will add 0.5f. Add mod. Well, so switch enemy mod. Get value reference. That's value container. That's value container. SVC. Resistance. Fizz resistance. Вообще без разницы. Fire. Точняк. We will say 50. By 50% we will increase. I hope you're joking. How do you know that you're a pro in programming? Well, if you can solve complex problems, then yes, you're a pro. But I'm telling you, in 2 months, you are not a pro. Okay.
Perhaps you need another shot.
Can I do something like this? Yeah, if resistance not equals null. This is awkward. This is very awkward. But I feel like it's fine. Whatever works. It looks complicated. Sure. Yes. Just a tad bit complicated, I agree. So, okay. Let's say, and let's modify that. Ref enemy stat block. What? Enemy stat. resistance. We will say 1.5. Apply rate. Apply mod rate. Apply mod rate. You know, it's little hard to know what to say in this case. Hello, Neowar. Welcome to the stream. Maybe even like twice? Yeah, it's twice. Maybe we should actually extract this into a separate value into exposed. Introduce, convert, extract, local, add argument, convert to hex, convert to binary. Introduce parameter. No. Serialize field, integer, a strong resistance mod 50. Serialize field int vig resistance mod minus 50. I load wrong high that lower multiplicator. That's value container. Close. Press enemy stat block that get value reference stat. If SVC not equal to null, SVC dot Mhm. Mhm. Okay. Mhm. Natural value is just that, natural. Additional value, this wall, is additional value. Natural is not being affected by anything. It's... Mhm. Hmm. So we have multiplicator like this. Sure. One second. Go to definition. Init natural value. Well, and this will be 0. Mm-hmm. I'm still not exactly 100% sure how I should Не, я буду придерживаться C-Sharp. Потому что C-Sharp... люди еще говорят, что он пошустрее. Have you seen the post of Chris Zukovsky talking how horror games are most lucrative type of game on Steam? Popular like Metroidvania. No, I haven't seen it. Can I see it right now? Is it on Twitter? Because if it's on Twitter, I cannot read it. It's kinda blocked for me right now. Oh, I see that it's actually on a website. Sure. Horror shooter, RPG, simulation. Boobs. Boobs always wins. Run and gun. Bottom 5. Mech. Match 3. That's actually kind of surprising that match 3 is such a rare thing. Immersive sim. I'll look at all over because I want to see what the which came in 2022. So, he's an expert. I see. 1% of games that. Yeah. Oof. Revenue for. So there were more platformers released in. Yeah, thank you very much for horrors. That's face. Horror goes viral, but if it's horror, it will become a sensation. Yeah, Choo Choo Charles is very popular, yeah. Horror games can be produced relatively as there is a high tolerance for jank. Yeah, that's actually true. Tolerance for jank. I actually agree on this point. Because if you look at older, especially older horror games, and to be honest, any horror games, if we think about it, let's take, for example, if we go way back to the days of Resident Evil. Like, you can call Resident Evil an advanced game, you know, it's not very responsive control wise. Like, you all at that time we already had stuff like Doom, and isn't Resident Evil, let me check something. The first game came out in like 96, and haven't we already have Quake at that point. Quake video game. Oh, it's the same year, okay? So, by that idea, you know, Quake is much more responsive, it's less junky to play. Hell, you can still launch Quake 1 and it still feels decently modern. Bearing the graphics, of course. Meanwhile, the original Resident Evil is like, oh my god, it's junk. It's very hard. Another problem is, even if we go to modern days, right? Look at the Slenderman games, how popular they were. Oh my god, they are genuinely garbage games. It's like you just walk around and look around and that's it. But people love that stuff. This, I agree. Holy moly, this is so true. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah, there is certainly This, I would say, not exactly. While it is true that you can, you know, use some of existent content, this is a little questionable. You can say exactly the same about making like modern military shooter or some kind of pixel art game and just say, oh, just download existing pixel art online and it will be fine. So on this point I don't exactly agree. Yeah, I don't exactly agree on this. This is kinda true, but like a lot of those points can be said about any game. So yeah. This one I think is a miss. Short playtime. Yes, this is true. In my game, I found the most successful. Yeah, but like if we speak specifically about Aliens and Metroid, I would not say that you can go without bespoke art, because one of the big thing of Aliens is its atmosphere. Alien and Aliens movie, because you know it works because it's a very movie designed in a very grimy industrial atmosphere of this ship, and in the second movie it's like this colony. Like you can't find this stuff simply online. It's not as simple. So yeah, I would say it's a little more complicated in this case. Platform from small team fail because it's too expensive to produce enough to make players feel like they got something for their money. But this bias against short game is a true for game. Okay. Yes, that's what I'm reading right now. Partially, I agree on this point. Yes, there is certain point in this. You know, if you play an RPG, like I think it's not only about players want, like it's not about specifically players okay with a smaller game. Is that certain type of games are blooming in a longer time. You cannot make 2-hour long RPG game. The RPG game needs to be like have certain amount of time, like at least like 10 hours, at least 10. Like I think the RPG is bare minimum is 10 hour long, maybe even longer, and some RPG games goes into like hundreds of hours. And the reason why is because every genre requires a certain time to get going, and puzzle game cannot get going until certain amount of time is passed. Like you need some amount of time to get accustomed to the systems, the systems start to bloom, to become complex enough to start to interact with each other, and that requires time in the game. And besides, and for this time to be present, you need to make a lot of content, a lot of stages, a lot of things like this, you know? The competition skill level is quite low. Mostly, or at worst, looks down. Yeah, I love Shin Megami Tensei, yeah. Sure. I'm not gonna argue about this. This is I don't agree, honestly. Feelings can generate real emotion. Fundamentally disagree. Wow. Wow. No. Obviously, they want to create that truly affect people emotions. Yeah. Yeah. No. I'm sorry. Just because a lot of people scream at top of their lungs doesn't mean this is a very individual thing about the horror genre. Like I'm sorry, but this is like this is like the only point so far. I fundamentally disagree. Just because emotion is not as bombastic as people screaming, you know, like this, it doesn't mean that it's not generated. What I would say is these games make content creators act silly on stream, and like this is the point. This is what he should have said. Not generating emotions. It's what I would call a streamer's bait game. It's like, oh yeah, your game gonna get streamed and the streamer will make funny faces and scream like a PewDiePie. And because of that, people will go buy your game. But like, is it like... How can I say it? Just because an emotion is not as present like this, doesn't mean that there is no emotion in the game. When I play City Skyline, yes, I don't scream at my screen like this, but I still generate emotion. Diligence of building, diligence of working, progressing through something, that's emotions. It's not bombastic emotion. Like, this word really pisses me off. Like, this is such a semantic problem for me. I'm sorry, but like, I disagree. Whatever. You can try out a new engine. Sure. Good thing. Sure. It works for indie films. Yeah, sure. Agree. Isn't Five Nights at Freddy's pretty much created an entire franchise, and they are making like a movie right now. Sure. Agree. Once you. Sure. Yeah, sure. Oh god. Get out. How can I remove this? Okay. You can practice rapid game development. Give me 1 second, let me see what he's talking about. Mm-hmm. Sure, I agree. Really, reusing your stuff and stuff like this, yeah. Sure. This I agree. More middle games, yes. Condition. He was totally 100% correct way back at the start of 2022 that indies should make Vampire Survivors a game for many developers. Yes, true. Step 1, play more indie horror games. I don't care. Unfortunately, I don't like indie horror games. Respect the genre, stick to the tropes. I really don't know... I really don't know who does not respect horror genre. Horror genre is one of the most important genre in gaming history. Like, for a long time, horror games are probably one, if not the only one, games which offered the story in action games. I don't know why, but I find game designers look down on horror games. Those people are stupid. Chip Trails, you're selling video games, dude. If you think like this, you're in a wrong environment. A lot of video games are selling cheap thrills. So they try to show off how much smarter they are. Adopting this cynical attitude and try to over-design a game with stupid mechanics that don't belong to prove that they are above the genre. Sure. The merit of their overly designed game is that it doesn't actually address what players want out of the genre. Making Dog's Breakfast out of the genre is too clever by half, and it usually leads to failure. Yes. By the way, Neoware, have you read the book Masters of Doom? Well, it's... To be fair, it was an shareware age. It was different at that time. Not represent the genre. Agree. They're fans. Agree. Just make a goddamn scary game where it's dark and sometimes bad is chasing you. But make an open world horror game. Sure. This is actually a good idea for all types of kind of developments. Well, yeah, it was different times. I think maybe you haven't heard this, but I considered John Romero my sorry, my bad. John Carmack my an idol. He is my inspiration, a big inspiration. And by the way, I genuinely recommend you to read the book called Masters of Doom. It's extremely good book about the story of John Carmack and John Romero, about the Doom development history. It's great. Take a break from your main game. Yeah, I can see that. Remember that this is still a risk. Yes, true. Sure. Yeah, I remember this guy from GDC Talks. Yes, generally, I would say I am 100% agree. But there is some small issues with it. Like it's semantic dialogue. Don't get me wrong. But yes, that's a good read. Thank you very much. Okay, GA baseline starts. Ah. Okay. Mods. We will say high resistance. These guys will have high armor. And these guys will have resistant fizz. Fine. Boss. High resistance, high armor. Let's launch it. And wait. Let's double check. Okay. Generate enemy stats. Right? Okay. Thank you. Oh yeah. Yeah, the design is great. Whoa. Jesus. That was scary. Found enemy group. Why do you mean restarting your game? What happened? Why? That's gonna break something. Yep. And we will have this. Hmm. Let's swipe a little. And yes, let's play a little of Minesweeper now. It's been an hour. Let's collect this. Win an expert game. Sure. One is here. So this is 2. Uh, 2 is over here. Shit. Are we stuck? Ah, yes, we're stuck. Okay. Okay. Let's take a small break. A stretch break, everyone. Stretch break. Be right back. Hey Neovar, if you posted a link to a video, you probably got smashed by a Google Auto system, which does not allow videos to be posted. If you don't mind me asking, please pause the video in the Discord. And yes, I'm back, everyone. Let's continue working. Yes, Neovar, please, if you posted a video, a link, post it in Discord. We cannot see your link. The anti-spam system delete all the links from the chat. This is not even like me trying to, like, you know, deleting it. It's like it's automatically done. Okay? Seriously, I'm sorry. Mm-hmm. Mod. Oh, by the way, Neovar, have you checked my Discord channel? There is like a separate channel for videos, all kinds of videos. It's called Video Treasure Trove. We have a lot of good videos, like handpicked about video game design and stuff like this. Oh god. See, I'm already making an horror game by scaring my viewers. I'm sorry. Okay. Spawn enemy group. Found. Found enemy group on list. Neovar, please. I cannot, we cannot see your link. It got deleted by automatic anti-spam system. Post your link in the Discord, in the off topic or whatever. Yep. Okay. Should it just work now? Let's see. First wave should have high resistance. Ow. Already having an issue? Origin value. Okay. Ah, shit. Generate. I'll post on Discord. Okay. As I said, like, it's not even me, it happens automatically. Okay. Generate character, generated characters, create instance, generate. Stats factory. I probably did not reference the stats factory. Character factory? Yes. And now let's test it. Okay. What else? It's okay. It's okay. We're probably not gonna watch it right now, but I will check it later. Okay. What's happening? Why is being dead? HP 2 max. Get value. Stat block. Okay. Character stats factory. Copy base. Oh, I know what's happening. This baseline is not initiated. Boom. Okay. We will say 100. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. Oh wait, it's HP regeneration, so we'll say 1. Physical regeneration 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay. 0, 0. What makes Pepperhead? Okay. Does this guy have... Why is HP 0 out of 0? I don't get it. But fine. Whatever. Let's see. Okay. Zero out of 0. Yeah, they are not getting applied the stats. Apply. Oh, because I'm not calling apply enemy mod in any place. I have a serious question about this. Why is HP 0 out of 0? We have a natural value of HP 100. I don't get it. But well, fine. Let's first generate enemy data. Stats factory. Apply enemy mod. Stats block. Do you want ref? Yes. He wants ref. And we need to pass list mod. Enemy mod. Mods.
If you've been playing a lot of
I will check it later. Like, look, I cannot just play it. I'm not gonna be reacting to it right now because I feel like I at least need to prepare it so there will be a proper claim for, you know, fair use. Or should I play it? Like, I don't know. Let's finish what we are doing and then we will talk about it. Generate character enemy data. Enemy character factory. Enemy data. Found enemy group. The definition. Okay. working. Okay. List enemy mod. Okay. Oh yeah. Happens all the time, I get it. It requires... Okay, spawn enemy group. Enemy mods. Can't I just pass the enemy? Technically, yes, I can. I need to think about it. Enemy data for spawn. We don't use for spawn. Oh. Yes, remove this. Eh? Have I messed it up? Huh? Oh, yes, I did mess it up. Lol. My bad. And last one. Spawn enemy. Sequential spawn. Enemy data. List mod list. Enemy mod list. I should have packed them into a class. But fine, whatever. Start spawn. Yeah, you could have just spawn enemy group, mod list. Could have just passed spawn enemy group. But fine, let's see, does it work? This one doesn't... Why is it not working? We do apply the right, generate character, go to definition, apply enemy mod, stat block, go to definition, enemy stats block, apply mod rate stat. Get stat preference stat. High resistance, high armor. Do you even goes here? Ever. You can hook it up, but honestly this is faster. Do you even get there? Yes. Then why is the value incorrect? Enemy clone. Character. Let's see. Stat block. Natural value. Okay. Debug. Oh, it would not show me. Ah. So, what if I... I think I know what's the problem. Multiply. Yes, we want to multiply the... True. And over here, enemy stat block. Resistance, some. This is a rare case where we want to use. Yes, it works. It modifies the resistance, and the second wave will have modified armor. Good. Yes, I know about this. Shut up. I know. And now this will have both. Perfect. So, this is done. What next we will need to do is to check something. I get character status. Get status, character status, get game object. Character, enemy, hub podium, tower. Here. And where this is called? I get status panel. Skill amount. Get value. Okay. Wait, he should be getting an... Get use natural. Health. That's fine. Get use natural. But we... False. Oh, I know. No, we should use false, right? But why? Use natural. Why was he not returning the values properly? Get natural plus value. I were multiplying the 0 and I got nothing. Yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense. Sure. That makes sense. So this works. We can now make a proper stage with proper challenges. My thing is broken. I need to modify it. Okay, we implemented a pretty serious feature. I'm so hyped saving up for an Apple TV to make games for. We probably have enough for it. Whoa, Apple TV, that sounds cool. I can't afford anything. But yes, I think let's take a break for tonight. We implemented very cool feature. Now we can have like an actual game design in our game. I think I will stream tomorrow more. So, thank you very much everyone for showing up, and see you next time. Bye.